Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adila Sadir. I was born in Attush, East Turkestan. I came to United States 8 years ago for study. Because of China's abuse of Uyghur people, I was afraid to return to my home country. I have to speak up today with a painful and complex feeling because more than 1 million of innocent Uyghur and Kazakh people were in China's shameful internment camps. Among them are my father, my uncle, my aunt, and even their children, as well as many great and decent neighbors of mine. All of those people are innocent, polite, law-abiding, and hard-working family people. When it comes to discipline, sanity, humanity, those people can teach those shameful, cruel people who are supposedly educating them with Chinese-style patriotism and law. Those innocent people are so nice that their hearts are soft as cotton, as white as snow. Those people love their family, love their life, love their fellow humans. In the eyes of Chinese government, their crime is for being member of Uyghurs, being religious and good people. They have not committed any crime. They are completely innocent, despite that they are now suffering under those criminal internment camps. Whenever I think of this situation, I cry. My mom cries, and all of Uyghur around me cry. At the same time, the deception of those internment camps as being vocational school by so-called Uyghur communist chairman is shamefully and a great lie. This makes every Uyghur angry. If those camps were so good, why his children, grandchildren are not there? Or doesn't he have any children or grandchildren? Today, I appeal to the world community, to those peace and justice-loving people that please condemn China's atrocity against Uyghur and Kazakh people. Please help us shut down China's internment camps filled with fascism. China must release all those innocent people, and China must punish planner and the perpetrator of his heinous scheme. I hope that the justice shines over my homeland. Here I will read a few of my family relatives' names. My father, Sadr Ali, my uncle, Osmanjan Ali, and his son, Enverjan Ali, and many other relatives. Just like thousands of overseas Uyghurs, those whose family were torn apart by this nightmare. My family is also suffering tremendously due to China's fascist action. Those more than 1 million innocent people are human beings with human feelings. They are entitled to live as free just like anyone else, so to speak, just like Han people. I hope that whole world speak up with one voice, pressure China to tear down those camps and hold perpetrator accountably for forcible disappeared Uyghur, detained Uyghur. So whole world must help China by preventing them commit genocide crime and taint their 5,000 years of history with crime against humanity. I also hope that righteous Chinese people also support the freedom of those people in the internment camp. Those who stayed silent when a genocide crime is happening will be written into the history as shameful criminals.